Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear brothers and sisters? I hope you are doing very well. We have a new lesson today. So we did in the previous lesson the more than two letters, more than one letters. If you understand the previous shapes, so this page will be very easy. Okay, this page will be very easy and very simple. So if you remember that the things, the rules, the which I told you, that two dots below ya, two dots top tha, okay, and something else. So inshallah, I'm going to read now. We will finish this page today. Okay, so you need to follow me. If any explanation, I will let you know. Okay, so you need to follow me now. This one is very easy. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, my dear, I'm going to start. Ra, ra, easy. Z, z. The sound is like z, not dal. Okay. Next one, two dots below. You know that is ya. So I'm reading now. You need to read after me. Ya ra, ya ra. Next, ta za, ta za. Next, seen, seen. And the next is sheen, sheen. Next will be the three. Look, this one is look like this. So this is easy to understand now, not difficult, inshallah. So read with me. Seen lam, seen lam. And the next is sheen lam, sheen lam. Next, this is bold. Keep in your mind the green letters are bold letters. Okay. Sod, sod, sod. So your lips not moving, your tongues are not moved. You need to read these bold letters with full of mouth. Okay, right? Next one, vod, vod. I already explained this one. To, to. And next is vo, vo. Next will be sod ba, sod ba, sod ba. The next, to ba, to ba. Okay, dear. So we're going to the next one. This one I told you before. This is alif. This is alif, alif, alif. Okay, not lam. So be careful when you read that one. That is always alif. This shape is always alif, always alif. It's not change. It's not lam. Okay, lam is moving to the other side, left side. Okay, so I'm reading now. Vod alif, vod alif. Next will be va alif, va alif. Okay, the next also alif. This one, va alif. Simple. This one, ain, ain, ghain, ghain. This one is now Many people said that is Ain, but my dear, this is not Ain. Keep in your mind, Ain, the shape of Ain is little bit is this small, okay? It's not small, that is a little bit more than Ain, okay? This is big one, right? This is Ain, sorry, this is Ain. This is Hamza, Hamza, okay? This is not Ain, this is Hamza. Okay, now look, the shape is one. This one is, this is small and this is not small, okay? Like too much different. You can clarify the difference between Ain and Hamza. Okay, next is Ain Za, Ain Za, and the next is Ghain Ra, Ghain Ra. Next one, Sad Ain, Sad Ain. This shape is Ain, you need to keep in the mind, okay? Right? This one is Ain. Sad Ain, Dhad Ghain, Dhad Ghain. And the next will be, now look, the shape, the middle one is the purple is Ain, okay? This shape is belong to that one, okay? And this one is Ghain, it's belong now this, okay? So it's just now it's going compressing, now it's pressing, the shape becomes small, right? This is the full shape Ain, okay? Now it's just lose this, and now the look, this shape, first this shape, second then this shape, third one this shape, okay? That's it. Now look, Ba Ain Dal, Ba Ain Dal. Next, Ta Ghain Dal, Ta Ghain Dal. Ghain is same like Ain, okay? Before Ghain is this shape, full shape, and then Ghain become this shape, and the next shape of Ghain is this one, okay? And the now final shape is in the middle, okay my dear? If you remember these three shapes, inshallah you did not forget the shape of Ain or Ghain, okay? First this is Ain shape, okay? And the second shape of Ain is this, third shape of Ain is that one, and the fourth shape of Ain is that one, okay? These are full shapes. You need to keep in the mind, inshallah. I will make it very easy for you, okay? Right? After a lot of thinking, I make it very easy for you. So this is Ghain. This shape is become Ghain. If you look this Ghain shape, and the last step of Ghain, that one. Okay? I hope inshallah you understand easily. So now, Ta Ghain Dhal, Ta Ghain Dhal. Okay my dear, now look, you see this one, I told you the small shape, this is Hamza, this shape is Hamza, okay? If you look on wow, is the shape of Hamza. So basically if you have Hamza on top of the letter like Alif Waw Ya, so it's considered Hamza, okay? But this Hamza is in shape of Alif, okay? If you look this, the next one, this is also Hamza. Basically this Hamza is shape of Wow. And the next one, if look, this is Hamza, this is basically this is Hamza, but is this Hamza in shape of Ya, okay? So we consider, we treat, now we are reading the letters, so we read it right now, Hamza Alif, Hamza Alif. But in Quran, if we face this one, you will say this is Hamza, not Alif, okay? Look, the next one, Hamza Wow, Hamza Wow. This is already the same like that, okay? If you open the Quran, you have this shape, this kind of structure, so you treat this Hamza, okay? You didn't treat it Wow, okay? So we're studying the letters that we say, that's why we say Hamza wow, but actually this is Hamza. Okay, the next is Hamza ya. Hamza ya, this is Hamza in shape of ya. Hamza in shape of alif, Hamza in shape of wow, and Hamza in shape of ya. Okay, I hope you understand. Next one is fa, qaf, wow, qaf, wow, qaf, wa. Look that shape of qaf. This is the qaf shape. Okay, look in the next one, the same shape, just one dot here. If you have one dot here, it's become fa. If you have two dots here, it's become qaf. Okay, right? This is qaf shape, and if you look in the middle, again this is qaf shape. Okay, so two steps of qaf shape. One is this qaf, the second one is this qaf. If you look up, this is fa. Okay, same like ain, same like ain. I'm explaining again. It's the same like ain and ghain. First shape of fa is this one, the second shape of fa is that one, and the third shape in the middle, this is fa. Okay, my dear. All right, if you look, qaf, the whole qaf is become the half, is become 1/3. Okay, dear, I hope you understand now. I try to make it easy, everything for you. Okay, so read with me. Qaf wow, qaf wow, fa wow, fa wow. Next is fa qaf lam, fa qaf lam, and the next is qaf fa lam. If there is one dot, we will say fa lam. Okay, if there is one more dot, not one dot in the black one, then we say qaf lam. Same like if we have fa here, this is fa. If we have one more dot, we say qaf lam. Okay, if we have, there is one dot and there is also one dot, but this is two dot. If you consider, suppose there is one dot, so we said fa lam. Okay, qaf fa lam, and the next will be ya fa mim. I already told you that this is meme, this shape is meme. Okay, this one is meme, and the third shape of meme is this one. Meme have also three shapes. The first is this meme, the second one is that meme. Okay, two shape, and this is become meme, and this is also meme. Okay, right, 1 2, and this is 3, and this is 4 shape. Okay, meme have 4 shapes, so it's easy, inshallah you can easily manage it. Next one is ha mim, lam mim, lam mim, ta mim, and the last one is ta mim ta, ta mim ta. Okay, so my dear, our lesson is now going finish. We finished the whole alphabets, right? The shapes of alphabets. So if you understand the shapes, you will able to recite the next step. You will easily quick pick up the next steps. Okay, if you don't know the shape, so you need to read, you need to still watching the videos. Okay, until you know the shapes. This is very important now. Okay, the shapes is finished here right now. You need to understand the shapes. If you know the shapes, any kind, any angle, you must know that. All right, so if you practice, inshallah you can pick up easily. Okay, So if you know you can get help from my videos, you need to share with my friends, your friends, okay, your relatives. And if you did not subscribe my channel, so you need to subscribe my channel, okay my brother. Inshallah we will see you in the next class. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.